Hello everyone. Today, I would like to present one of my latest projects for Interstyling Company, for which I provide technical support in creating their advertising stand. My small design office is located in Blashonia, where I am actively seeking new projects that I can undertake for industrial companies. Let's now move to the Netherlands, to the charming town of Horst, where the headquarters of Interstyling Company is located. There, I had the opportunity to create a design and provide full technical support during the production of their latest advertising booth. Working directly at the Interstyling facility, I was provided with a project photograph and detailed measurements, which helped me prepare comprehensive technical and assembly documentation. Upon project approval, I proceeded with programming the 4-axis CNC machine and cutting all the necessary components. I am proud of our excellent collaboration, which helped us avoid any design, assembly, or production errors. Today, I would like to present the results of my work in the form of assembly drawings, which play a crucial role in the production stage. At this point, we can observe full industrial automation, where all the components are precisely cut and then assembled according to the assembly documentation. We are now moving to England, to the dynamic city of Birmingham, renowned for its numerous industrial trade shows. It is here that Interstyling Company set up their impressive advertising booth in just 2 days. In addition to, we also had the opportunity to admire the beautiful landscapes that surrounded our journey. In the provided, we can see the employees of Interstyling Company in full action. The installation of the flooring and advertising booth structure is already underway, and the initial elements of the booth have been positioned, just as we saw in our drawings. I would like to remind you that the project was developed based on the provided photo, which served as a reference for creating the drawings and machine programs. Now, together, we proceed with the assembly and observe how the advertising booth takes shape step by step, at an incredibly fast pace. Considering that advertising booth was built in just 2 days, working 8 to 10 hours per day, it is an impressive achievement. At this moment, the booth is nearly complete. In the last photo, you can see the finished advertising booth, where customers have already arrived and are visiting Interstyling's customer booth. In addition to, we also had the opportunity to explore the surroundings. We made sure to take in the local attractions. And of course, we couldn't miss the regional performance by a rock and roll band, which added to our enjoyment during our time off work. After dismantling the entire booth, I returned to the company, from where I either head back home or begin working on the next project. My office is designed to handle such projects, where we assist with various assignments. I possess extensive experience and the ability to work according to client specifications, utilizing logical thinking that translates into technical success. AKBM is a flexible company ready to support business clients in various fields. I provide services throughout Europe, including the Scandinavian countries. I invite everyone to collaborate with us. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to Inner Styling Company for the opportunity to participate in this project and wish them continued success.